it's Georgia.
Hi, it's Chloe.
And today we're adventuring around Longford.
Let's go adventure! Whoa, Georgia! Look at this cool playground. It's red and green.
There's so many ways that you can climb.
I might go up this way, up the net. Up I go.
I might climb up here. They look like little mushrooms.
Whoa!
Should we count them as I step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was 5 steps to make it to the top.
Georgia, reckon I can do it.
I believe in you, Chloe.
Okay, it's quite high, so I'll hold on tight. Just one step at a time. Wow, it's a bit wobbly. Now I'm gonna make it onto the platform. I'll bend. Your turn now.
Oh. Okay, Chloe. I'm coming across. I made it!
Okay, now time for the bumpy slide.
You can go first, Chloe.
Okie dokie. Down I go. Whee! That was a bit bumpy. Your turn now.
Whee! Wow! That was a little fast.
Look, they've even got a little rock climbing wall so I can go on the slide one more time. Yes! Up I go.
Great climbing, Chloe.
Thanks. Time for round 2. Whee! Guess what? There's one more way to get back up. That means you get to go on the slide one more time.
Let's go up the bumpy ladder. Up and up and up. And now I can go down the slide again. Whee! Whoa! Where should we go next, Chloe?
Let's go on the swing. I'm gonna go on the basket swing.
I might go on this swing.
I'm a little bit tired from all that climbing and sliding. It's good to take a moment to sit back and relax. Do some breathing. In and out. In and out. What a lovely day today.
It's a nice swing.
Hey look, we should have brought our basketball. We could have played some fun games over there, Georgia.
Whoa.
Maybe we could play pretend basketball. Come on. Here's my ball. Did you know that basketballs, they're orange normally? Ready? Bounce, 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 throw!
Catch. Bounce, 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 and throw.
Catch! Okay, I'm gonna take it for a shoot. 3, 2, 1, whoa! Yes! I got it in!
Great
Slam
work.
dunk.
I think that means a dance party.
Woohoo! Well, Georgia, let's go see what else we can find in Longford.
Sounds good, Chloe. Let's go.
Woohoo! We heard there's a really cool bridge if we keep on walking over here.
But on our way, hopefully we see some really cool things. Like, Chloe, did you see the cool windmill?
I did. It's so big. And look, it's wooden. That's crazy. Let's go see what else we can find. It's very pretty along this river here in Longford. Look, it looks really long and really high. I hope it's not too wobbly.
First, Chloe, let's have a look at this sign. It says, hello there. Looking to cross, are you?
Well, yes, we are.
Now, you're lucky today. The river isn't flowing too fast.
You.
But after a good rain, you might not get to the other side at all.
Uh-oh.
Hop in my little punt and I'll have you across in a twinkling. Off we go!
Let's go! Okay. It's a bit bouncy. Wow, I can see some berries.
Oh, the very tippy top. I wonder if we can see anything in the river.
What about a platypus? Or maybe some fish?
What a beautiful view of the Macquarie River.
Okay, now we're on to the bit where it crosses the river. Okay, over we go. Da, 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 da. What a peaceful day out here in Longford. Look, we've nearly made it across the river. I can see the hay bales on the other side. Georgia, what's wrong? Why are you all the way over there?
Well, Chloe, I'm actually feeling jelly in my legs and butterflies in my tummy, and I don't think I'm brave enough to go all the way over there.
That's okay. Not every adventure is for everyone. I put my brave shoes on today and I'm going to cross the bridge. I can do it. I believe in myself. Just one step at a time. Look, I made it to the other side.
Good work, Chloe!
Look, here's the hay bales over there and the paddock over. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 hay bales here. Now I've got to go all the way back to get back to Georgia. Let's go.
Isn't it such a nice, beautiful view here, Chloe?
It sure is. I'm having such a lovely time. And look, I can even see some sheep over there. What a lovely park here at Longford.
There's so many nice things here in Longford. Wow, just look at that palm tree.
That's a big palm tree.
I wonder if there's any coconuts.
Look, there's a playground over there.
Wow.
Let's go check it out.
What are you doing, Chloe?
Well, I'm sitting in this thing. I think I'm meant to spin around and round.
Let's see.
Whoa.
Whee! Oh. How about I go back the other
way? And again. Whoa, geez, I'm getting a bit dizzy. please, Georgia. Whoa.
Let's do some jumping. Whoa, that was such a big jump.
Now time to play on this little one. Okay, let's go in.
It's built like a little house. I wonder if anyone lives here. It's a tight squeeze. I think this one's meant for little people.
I think so too. I don't think I'm gonna fit through here, Georgia. What are we gonna do?
We can just wave and you can go down that little slide and I can go down this slide.
That sounds like a good idea. Okay, time for the slide. 3, 2, 1. Whee! Whoa, those slides are really fast. Look, some instruments. I gotta really press them. Da 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 da.
There's little flaps on the back that hit the poles. And here's a spinny smiley face.
And here we can practice our counting to 5. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great counting, everyone. Up and down on the race car seesaw. I have the blue car.
I have a red car.
Oh, time to spin around on this spinny thing. We can use this bar to help us move around.
Don't go too fast or we might fall off.
Uh-oh.
An ambulance.
Well, I think it might be time for us to go home now.
But we've had so much fun adventuring all around Longford, Tasmania. We'll
See you next time. Happy adventuring.
If you're